Welcome to C67. C67 utilizes 35 complex algorithms to deliver a three-dimensional sentiment analysis. C67 surveys the market from a higher altitude and provides information on the entire sentiment geography, not just the profile of the market landscape. Here is a typical price and time chart for NASDAQ taken from 3:15 until the close on January 6, 2012. Here's the actual picture that C67's topographic algorithm produces for the same NASDAQ time frame. The conventional two-dimensional price and time chart shows you the flat sense of market direction. C67's 3D chart shows you the enormous market sentiment swings that are leading to the two-dimensional chart's peaks and valleys. C67's trader window views this graphic map from above, enabling all of the other components to be posted alongside. Here is how C67 actually appears on the trader's screen. With the actual data presented in variations of color intensity and the two-dimensional presentation, it delivers a sense of C67's contoured intelligence along with other pivotal algorithms. C67 displays each minute of the market emerging at the bottom of the screen. Each column is an independent study of the market. To magnify the screen, use Control+ and Control- to minimize the screen. C67 utilizes a variety of sound and alarms to alert the trader of events occurring in the marketplace. Here in green, C67 shows elevations where the market is more likely to increase in price. The more intense the color, the stronger the market sentiment. In black are the areas where the market is neutral. In red, C67 gives you the depressions where the market is most likely to decline. Again, more intense colors show stronger market sentiment. The elevations or depressions of the market sentiment is depicted by the color and the width of the altitude indicator. Each incremental yellow band is used to categorize the pressure of the trade. C67 is a sophisticated instrument that is designed to assist you in your trading activities. We like to think of it as another instrument to add to your trading dashboard. This example shows how C67 analyzes the NASDAQ 100 March 2012 E-mini contract. The numbers in this algorithm are an early indicator that a trading opportunity may be developing. More advanced traders often find this indicator as an opportunity to start laddering their position. If you are a more advanced trader, simply start looking for the point when this column goes from double digits to triple digits. This is a sign that possibilities are brewing. The header detects the acceleration of the market at a pivotal point. The header is designed to trigger a general alert for all of C67's capabilities when a change in market sentiment is imminent. From that moment, all of the other components engage in a final evaluation of a trading opportunity.
This is not a drill. This is not a drill. General quarters, all hands man your battle station.
Now C67 has issued a trade alert. If you magnify the alert, you will see the date, time, price, and direction. These market equilibrium algorithms let us know when the market has reached a tangent on the sentiment curve. If you've ever been at a trading pit, you would recognize it as the point where the pit goes quiet. This can happen several times a day. Trading close to the tangent of change minimizes trade entry risks. When this sort of pattern emerges, it represents an area of engagement, the time to look for a trade. C67 is alerting us to the optimum or most efficient point to enter the trade. A high market volatility indicator shows the most efficient part of the trade, where you will achieve the highest level of profitability in the least amount of time. A change in the color of the volatility typically indicates the end of the most efficient part of the trade. Each incremental band in the altitude indicator is used to categorize the elevation of the trade. Notice how when the trend begins to dissipate, the C67 chart shrinks from left to right. At this time, the level of risk is higher. At the final stages of a trend, market equilibrium resets for the opposite trend. This is an example of a trading opportunity surfacing around the opening of the market. This is how you will see the first indication of an emerging trend on your C67 screen. After the market changes equilibrium, if volatility appears, then the header study analyzes the acceleration of the market. If a cluster of blue and yellow numbers appears together, then C67 engages all other analytics to start searching for a possible trading opportunity. If all of the variables confirm a trading opportunity, the system issues an alert. As before in the short example, C67 is alerting us to the optimum or most efficient point to enter the trade.
This is not a drill. This is not a drill. General quarters. General quarters. All hands man your battle station.
Using the price data right off of the program, we can show you the results in an Excel chart. At the point of trade alert, NASDAQ was at 2200, and at the end of the trend, it was at 2280. With E-mini contracts, that equates to a 320% profit in almost 10 hours. As this exceptional long trend came to an end, it evolved into a very weak short trend. In this situation, you could have made money on the short side in a very short period of time. However, the market didn't shift strong enough for C67 to shoot an alert, keeping your risk level to a minimum. Again, in the final stages of the very weak short trend, market equilibrium resets for a long trend. And the market equilibrium algorithms are showing us the market sentiments are at the tangent on the curve. This is again an area of optimum engagement, the time to look for a trade. The light green numbers in this column represents new highs in price, helping to illustrate profitability while in the trade. Conversely, when you see red prices in this column, it indicates new lows. Again, using the price data right off of the program, we can chart the results. When the trade alert sounded, NASDAQ was at 2282, and at the end of the trend, it was 2295. That is a 52% profit in 4 hours. C67 is not a buy or sell alert. All trading is a matter of timing your risks. While C67 is helpful in presenting trading opportunities, in its simplest form, if you just use C67's color depth to indicate when you should be long or short, you will greatly reduce your trading risks. C67 was designed as a market sentiment compass. With C67's internal three-dimensional perspective of the market in a two-dimensional display, it can be a very powerful tool. It is the only software in the world that escorts you throughout the trade on a minute-by-minute basis, allowing the trader to succeed in the market for long periods of time and watch C67's analytics report all along the way. C67 is very effective as a support decision system. At the beginning of a trend, C67 reports the intensity of the trend, allowing the trader to assess the size of the investment. This greatly enhances trading room risk control management. Also, every trader has a tendency to misjudge points of market entry. With C67's ability to read market sentiment, it can greatly assist a trader in preventing premature entry into market tops or bottoms. C67 is currently available for the following markets: NASDAQ, S&P 500, gold, crude, Eurex, FTSE, Nikkei, and the DAX. C67 is also capable of analyzing individual stocks, bonds, ETFs, Forex, or essentially any liquid financial instrument.